In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to join private servers in Steal A Brainrot. This method is safe and works every time, so you can play on a private server either with friends or explore servers with fewer players. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is open up a web page and go to roblox.com. From here, make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you've done that, where it says search, go ahead and click on search and type in Steal A Brainrot. Now you want to go ahead and click on Steal A Brainrot here on the top left-hand corner of the page. Now, once we're inside here, we want to go ahead and click onto servers on the bottom right tab. Now, from here, you'll see a list of all currently active servers. At the top, you might notice friend servers if they are online. These are private servers that you can join directly if you have friends have given you access. Now, if you want to join other private servers, scroll down to see more options. You can sort the servers by clicking ascending on here. So you can do ascending. This will show servers with fewer players first, including servers with only one player. These are often private servers and these are easier to join in my experience. So when you find a server you want to join, simply click join. This will open up your Roblox game client and take you straight into the server. From here, you can enjoy the game in a private setting or check if any admin commands are available. This is if it's an admin server.